Hey guys! Do you want to learn Lippan Art and don't know how to start? Then this video is for you. I'm going to start a new series of Lippan Art. Today's video is very special for me as it is my first video on Lippan Art. In this series, I will try to explain you all tips, tricks and techniques so you can also try it and make your own Lippan Art piece very easily. Now without wasting any time, let's get into it. For the material, this is what you need. First, base. Generally we use this type of MDF board for base. MDF board comes with different varieties, sizes and thickness. You can easily find it from online. If you are beginner or just started to learn Lippan Art, for practice and learning purpose, you can use 2.5 mm thin MDF board. But if you are going to make professionally, then I recommend to use 4 mm or more thickness as per your client requirements. Second thing, we need clay. Clay handling is very important part for Lippan Art. I use Fevicryl molded epoxy compound. This clay comes in two parts, hardener and softener. You can buy it from any stationery shops. And also you can make your own clay at home with ceramic powder or marble dust powder. Third, tools. Molding or Lippan Art tools are easily available in market. If you are beginners, then no need to buy any tools initially. You can use knife, butter knife, toothpick, palette knife, anything for designing. Fourth, mirrors. There's a huge varieties like small, round or geometric craft mirrors you can choose from. Fifth, glue. We need strong craft glue for mirrors and base attachments. For painting, we will use acrylic colors. We need brushes and color palette. Seventh, for designing, we will need basic things like pencil, eraser, rounder, scale, etc. If you have any doubt or suggestion related to this video, please write in comment box. Next video, we will learn how to draw Lippan Art design. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel with your family and friends. See you soon.